To the second part of this password manager Meet Python project. So if you want to check it, make sure to check the first part out first. And yeah, let's go ahead and continue. So we create two functions. We call that first is username, website, and digits, the number of digit of password you want to store in the website. So like a little tag category of this password and username. And then I create this. So this is the password. However, we're not gonna just display this password. We're not gonna store in this, like just in this file, because that's not really safe. So what we will do is we will going to hash the password. Alright, so let me move it to here. Therefore, everything makes sense. Why every time? Alright. So we're not going to use this. I find a really good article on to use this. So we're going to use this method, which we're going to use a hashlib, Binary ASCII, and OS. So I'm going to import hashlib. And we're going to import Binary ASCII. So this library just help us to change binary data to ASCII. So ASCII is American Standard Character. So it's basically again includes every character that you can type on American keyboard. All characters, yeah. So, but it doesn't really contain like Spanish accent mark or Chinese or Korean. They're not really ASCII, but well, they are Unicode. So let's go and generate SOT. So if you don't know what SOT means, here's the definition for SOT from auth0.com. By the way, auth0 just for like authorization. So if you're using Google authentication, other website that is not Google, that's probably they have some auth0 help on there, but probably. So SOT is made up by random bits. Bits is just like 0 and 1 binary digit added to each password instance before it's hashing. So some complicated keyword. And then that's going to hash the password. So you're gonna go and generate a SOT. Oh yeah, we need also import OS. So we're gonna go ahead and copy all these. We're gonna try to explain them in depth. All those. Okay, let me go ahead and fix all these. Alright, so let's take a look what's happening here. So first we generate a SOT that is like SHA-256 with some random bytes, and then we're gonna go ahead and change it to hex, I believe, and then going to make sure I'm going to change the encode into ASCII. Then we're gonna use this, which probably is actual password hash, using SHA-512. That will be encoded in, you can say it's different scale. This is UTF Unicode, and this is ASCII. and then use salt. I'm not sure what this digit for actually. And then we're gonna use password hash. So this new password hash, gonna go ahead and then change to hexadecimal. If you don't know, hexadecimal is 0 through F. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Switch into hex, then we go ahead decode it. So say password hash equals this, and it's going to be a password hash just in case. It's going to sternify this, and let's try to run this program. Username devisme blog.blogspot.com, digit 10, and then what you see is a new password.txt created, and then you can see this is the hash created for that password. And then probably can say yeah, so now what we can say, we don't need to necessarily return, and then we can search by username, search by website. So what we can do is we can say f equals open password.txt, and then probably is we're going to open password.txt, then just reading any mode, just open will be fine. Wait, let me double check. Read file mode. Python, let me just double check on that. Read, yeah. It's not that. I still didn't remember quite well. And then, so what we can then do is we can go and say for line in F. Then we can say, okay, so you can search for username. And then we can say username excuse me. Okay. Username. Keep talking me inconsistent. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's go ahead and search the username. So we're gonna in this. So let's just say search for username. So you can say search. Let's say password, username or website. That doesn't make a difference. So you can say sternified input. It's going to ask for, do you want to search for username or website? Let's add a space here. Now let's go ahead and use it. So if username or website equals username. Then we're gonna go and say, okay, let's search for username. Otherwise, by default, we're just gonna search for website. Let's pass here. Okay. So, search for username. We're gonna say f.read. So now line include everything. So we can say line.split because it's a stir. So line.split. It's going to split on dash this symbol, and then trying to split into array with 3 elements. First is username, first is website, then is then is the actual password hash. So we can say value equals stir input. So this is going to ask what value do you want to search for. So then we can say if username oh, okay, so this is actually going to be a little bit hard because I cannot manually unhash it. Yeah, which I didn't suck about that. So you know what? We're not gonna worry about hash the password for now. We're not gonna worry about this, but password. We're not gonna worry about this just yet. So we can say now if you let this run again, username that was me blog.blogspot.com, digit 10, and take a look again. Okay, let me delete this file. Let's try again. That was me, 10 generated. Let's see. Alright, so this is just a simple text file. And then what we can do now is go ahead and return the password. But we're gonna restrict a file. So restrict, so the user must set an initial password for this text. Yeah. So line.split. If let's just finish search first. If value equals to let's make it say info equals this, so we can say info bracket 0 because that's username. Then we can say return info return info 2, that's the password. Otherwise we're gonna say okay, so info equals line.split. Okay, so this is like the folks. So probably I need to move here. Yeah. Then I can say if value equals to info 1, return info 2. So this is going to find the first response immediately and then return them. And now if you run this file again, hello example.com, just get 20 digit. Okay, yeah, so I need to make sure, get a \n, just to make sure everything works, yeah. So you're not gonna worry about this just yet. We're just going to implement these two. Then I'm gonna hello world 15 password. Okay, so you're gonna also return the password. Actually, let's just print this out. So print, here's your password. Please remember it. Then you can just say password here. F string, you can use these squiggly bracket. So this can be used as a variable. Now if you let this run again, whatever, example.com 20 is your password. You can now copy and paste them in. We'll actually get a user here. Okay, that was cool. Now let's go ahead and say search. Let's print out search. Then I can say let's stop. Just want to run. I don't need to store it anymore, so let's just run search. Just search by username, whatever. Okay, so now let's try to run this again. Search by website, example.com. Okay, let's run this again. Hello, should search website world. We actually type that. Hello, hi, none. So we're gonna say result equals this. If result equals none. Now we're gonna say print no result found. Otherwise, print here's your password. Let's print out result. Alright. So yeah, this is our basic functionality, but we're still not over yet because we need to somehow restrict this file. So like if someone actually logged into your Python to here, but if he if the person able to see this file, then your password is going to be not working. So well, so yeah, your not working, but your password going to be not confidential anymore. So everyone who has access to this file is going to also have the access to all your password. So probably should do is restrict the access for this file, so automatically add a password, or before he accesses it, we can restrict file. Yeah, that's probably a good thing. We'll see how to do that in next video. Yeah, so thanks for watching and see you next time.